Question 14. Classic mean from a table. Here's some information. It's asking us to work out an estimate for the mean. They've even been as helpful as to give us two empty columns to fill. The first column we're going to use for the midpoint. That's so that we can pick one number from this group that we can use rather than having a range of numbers. So first group 10 to 20 gets a midpoint of 15. Whoops, 15. The next group 20 to 30 gets a midpoint of 25. The groups are all the same size, so this is just going to carry on. Okay, midpoint's in. So next we're looking for the frequency to be multiplied by the midpoint. And we're just going to call this one fx. So working our way down the column, 2 times by 15 is 30, 5 times by 25 is 125, 9 times by 35 is 315. The next one, 18 times by 45 is 810, followed by 605, 3 times by 65 is 195, and then 2 times by 75, 150. Okay, nearly there. Next job. So we've got these totals, we're going to need a total of the totals. Adding these numbers up, I'll type these into my calculator. Comes out as 2,230. We're going to need to divide this total by how many there were altogether, and we can get that by adding up the frequency column. 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 18 plus 11 plus, that's 50. Final job is just to do the division. 2,230 divided by 50 gives us our answer into the calculator, and that comes out as 44.6. We're talking centimetres, so I'm going to give my answer in centimetres, 44.6 centimetres. We get a mark for adding the correct midpoints all the way down. We get a mark for multiplying the frequencies by this. Get a mark for the division, and we get a mark for the final answer. Okay, cumulative frequencies up next. Nice straightforward question. We're going to use the information from the top from the frequency, and we want a running total. So my first group's just got 2 in it, that's going to be 2. Next group goes up to 30, so we've had 2 so far, another 5 takes us to 7. There are then another 9 in the next group, so we're going to add 7 plus 9, which is 16. And then just keep this running total going. So 34, 45, plus 3 is 48, and plus 2 is 50. A mark for having all of those numbers correct.